Hi Green Dragons! In store we get a lot of first-time customers who have no idea how to vape, and as luck would have it, they do not typically come with instructions, so I'm going to do a quick how-to vape video. We're just going to cover the basics and we're going to get right to it. First, we're going to talk about how to vape a device that does not have a button. These typically come ready to vape. You're just going to remove them from the package and then take your draw. For the vapes that do have a button, whether it is a disposable or a battery that takes a cartridge, it's pretty much the same. So this button here is going to be used to turn the device on, off, and to take your draw. To turn the device on, you're going to click it 5 times fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you have it, it's on. Some of the newer vapes do also have a preheat setting, which you're going to use in the event of clogging. To initiate that, you're just going to push that same button 2 more times fast. 1, 2. And it's in preheat mode. To take your draw off of these, you're going to push the button and inhale simultaneously and release when you're finished. And then again, to shut the vape off whenever you're finished with it, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's off. And one more thing, a quick troubleshooting hack that I've learned with these devices in the event of clogging. Now this is for when just the standard sucking and blowing through the mouthpiece doesn't work, when the preheat setting doesn't work. When all else fails, if you take a paper clip or something of the sort and just kind of shove it down in the mouthpiece, that typically will do the trick. That is all we have for you today. Let us know if you have any questions.